In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot OkCupid dating app. So if you're experiencing any challenge with your dating app, maybe your app is too slow or it can't open or it keeps on crashing, then let me show you how you can solve this problem once and for all. If you'll find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so there are quite a number of steps you can take to troubleshoot your app. In the first method, just go to settings and then look for apps and then manage apps or all apps depending on your Android smartphone. For this tutorial, I'm using a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. Now this will go ahead and list all the apps that you have on your smartphone. And here is my app. Alternatively, you can search for your app using the search function on top here. Once you have found your app, go ahead and tap on it, and this will take us to the app info page, and this is where we shall do our first setting. However, if you can't access the app info page, then let me show you a shortcut method to get here. For that, just go back and then look for your app, and once you have found it, just long press on it, and now you should be able to see app info here. Once you tap on it, it will take you again to the same app info page. At this point, we want to go ahead and clear the app data, more especially the cache data. So if I go to storage here, you can see a breakdown of data usage on this app. Of importance is this cache data. When you talk of cache data, these are just small files that your app normally stores to enhance user experience whenever you use it. The problem is accumulation of these files might cause your app to malfunction. As you can see, I have over 4 MBs of cache data. To clear them, go ahead and tap on clear data here and then clear cache and OK. And now you can see the cache data has been cleared. Restart your smartphone and then open your app, and this should have solved your problem. But should this not solve your problem, then head to the second method, and that is come back again to the app info page, and this time around go ahead and clear all data and click on OK, and this should solve your problem. However, if this hasn't solved your problem, then go ahead and look for this app either through Google Play Store or App Store, and then look for any update. I'll go ahead and click on Google Play Store and search for the app, then look for any option called update here, and then update it to the latest version. Once this has been updated, now you can proceed and start using the latest version of this, and this will help fix bugs or any related issues. However, should this not solve your problem, then go ahead and uninstall your app and then install it afresh, and then this should now fix any issue related to your app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.